Hello kids, welcome to the Space Star Kids Educative channel. Today we will learn about animals on interesting and fun way. Let's start. This is a bird. Birds can fly high in the sky. Birds also sings great melodies. Look, this is a bird. This is a cat, beautiful cat, that jumps around the field. Cats say meow. Look, this is a cat. Kids like playing with animals, such as a cat, while the bird is flying. This is an elephant. The elephant is big and strong. Look at its long trunk. This is a dog. The dog says look. Dogs are friendly and love to play with kids. You have a dog. What's his name? This is a lion. The lion is the king of the jungle. Look at the beautiful lion. This is a rabbit. The rabbit is jumping around the grass. Look at the rabbit. This is a mom bear and baby bear. We are walking in the forest where people are honey to eat. Look at the happy family. Dear kids, you have learned animals. Bird, elephant, dog, lion, cat, rabbit, mommy and baby bear. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.